what role do you think language plays in transmission between generations? Because you mentioned that your grandparents spoke Yiddish, and then your parents didn't speak Yiddish to you.
Right, and I'm not speaking Afrikaans to my kids.
Yes.
Because I just felt, my husband doesn't speak Afrikaans, and I just couldn't see teaching them something that is, I don't want to say it's dying, it's very sad when any language should die, but there are definitely less and less people speaking Afrikaans, less and less things happening, since English is really the main language in South Africa today. It's not like it used to be, English and Afrikaans. It's now English and then maybe Afrikaans, but not, I don't think by law it has to have both languages on it anymore. So that is maybe sad, but I've made the kids aware of my identity. I've taken them both to South Africa. I've shown them, and they know a couple of Afrikaans words that I say. And anyway, but I couldn't see the sense of teaching them Afrikaans. I just didn't think it would be worth a while.